Hi guys, this is a quick recap of what we did in class today. So I did go over these slides with the class. Please just open that up and read through them to make sure you understand what's contained in there. When you're finished with that, you'll go to the classwork tab, open up your agendas for cycle 4, and find today's slide. So you can skip the attendance form if you missed class. You're going to complete the PDN. And then your homework for the week is to join Remind. So if you haven't done that already, you should do that. And then what we worked on was finishing the questioning the text that we started the last day we met. That is right here under cycle 4. Okay, so yesterday we did the first half of this, and you should have answered the questions here and stopped before you got to the social media section. So what we did today was finished reading the article and then completed these questions at the end. So the making observations questions are opinion. Tell me what ideas in the text were interesting to you, what you know about freedom of speech that you did not know before you read it, and what questions you had. Please do not just write IDK or none. Okay, come up with something. And then for the exit ticket, you are coming up with examples of literal, interpretive, and universal questions like we did yesterday, but you are doing it about freedom of speech. So that is your topic. You're going to come up with a literal question about freedom of speech, an interpretive question about freedom of speech, and a universal question about freedom of speech. You're going to type those in here. And then you are going to go back to view assignment so that you can turn it in. If you are not remembering how we did this, you should have copied some of the examples that we came up with in class into this questioning the text chart that's at the top of the questioning the text document. If you did not, you are welcome to copy these over to yours. So you are doing the same thing we did here, but you are doing it with the topic of freedom of speech. And that was all we did today.